What's up, y'all? We back on the road again. What we up to today? Got my daughter and my grandbaby with me today, y'all. We getting ready to go grab some chicken from Bojangles. And they gotta make one more stop. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with us. I think we're gonna do a mukbang today. Carbang, I guess that's what you call it, a carbang. So yeah, we headed to Bojangles. We got a taste for some, I think they call it chicken supreme. We've been eating it, right lately, but when you get a taste for something, you'll eat it for a little while until you actually get tired of eating it. So that's what we got a taste for. That's what we're gonna get ready to go get. And as soon as we get to Bojangles and get our food, we're gonna sit back and eat while it's nice and hot. And we're going to do a carbang with you guys. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video. Yeah, so when I get to Bojangles to get our food and we get parked and situated, I'll bring you guys back and we'll sit and have some chicken supreme with you guys. So I'll see you guys back in just a second. Okay, you guys, we got our food. Let's see if I can excuse me for flipping y'all. We got our food, we got our chicken, and I'm promising you, it just come up out of the grease. It's super hot. It is super hot. Let me get it out of the bag so I can show you what we got. We got the 3-piece chicken supreme, and with sweet tea to drink. So we got honey mustard sauce, and we got fries and a biscuit with it as well. So let me show y'all inside the box what it looks like. Let me see where I can do that. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Oh, just like that. Y'all see that? I could have flipped the box over so y'all could see it, but I'm just gonna show that to y'all so y'all can see what's going on. It's super hot. I can tell you that much. Ooh, hot.
Hot on top of spicy.
Oh Jesus, Lord, that's probably gonna make me cough. I'll see if I can eat this without starting to cough. Anytime I eat anything spicy, it makes me cough. But the fries are nice and hot and seasoned. We got baby Nolan sitting in the back listening to Cocomelon. Baby Nolan. That's what my I'm calling Sadie, my other grandbaby. He said Nolan.
Hot, ain't it? That's like the new Mickey Mouse now.
What, Cocomelon? It's good though, y'all. Y'all gotta try it. If you like spicy, they got the 3-piece, they got the 4-piece, and the 6-piece, I think.
5-piece.
Oh, 5-piece, okay.
It's our first year trying it. They probably been had it out there.
Yeah. They probably say y'all late. They been had that but we never had it. So we sitting here for huh?
There's probably a lot of food at these restaurants that we might like. We just ain't never tried.
I never tried them, yeah. Cause I'm used to cooking at home, y'all. We go out to eat, but we don't do it. It's not a daily thing for us. It's not a daily thing. Majority of the times I'm home cooking. so we sat here in front of Sonic. I'm looking at the little kids play on this little thing here. Watching the people drive. Can y'all believe we are already in the last month of this year? It's been hectic year, haven't it? I was listening to the radio the other day, and I was listening to Heart and Soul. I forget his name, Cayman or something. I forget his name, but if you listen to Heart and Soul, you'll know who I'm talking about. On Sirius XM. Anyway, he was asking them to email him what they were thankful for around Thanksgiving. And I was just listening to some of the things they were saying. And it was a lot of people that saying that they were still thankful to be here because they had lost like the majority of their families, like the mother. They lost their mom, their dad, their grandparents, aunts, uncles, the whole family. And they was the only one left. Now that's something to think about. That is truly something to think about. Losing your family, and I think the majority of it was due to COVID. Due to COVID. It's sad. But this is the times we're living in. I mean, we don't have no control over it. You just can imagine the mental state of some of these people that's dealing with something like that. I couldn't imagine losing my entire family. I be praying for people like that all the time. Well, I pray for us all, but special prayers with them type of people. Because you don't never know until you're actually put in a situation like that, how it feels. You know what I mean? It's really something to think about. That's why every chance you get, enjoy your family. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. Period. Make sure that you're walking in the will of God. I mean, that's the only thing I can suggest you. That's the best way. In my opinion, is to walk in the will of God. Make sure that you got God in your life. So that if you do leave here, that you could be with Him forever. You know. Everybody's different. Have their own beliefs, their own way of thinking. I'm just giving y'all my opinion.
Where come from, Noah? Wait a minute.
He wants some chicken? I know he can't have no chicken but 4 months. I keep saying 4 months. He's going on 4 months. He'll be 4 months on the 12th of this month. He's really going up there. Since you just had him.
Just got home with it.
Mm-hmm. He's already about to be 4 months. They give you a biscuit with this, but we'll never eat it. What time she get off, Maya?
8.
Okay. This chicken is really, really good.
I wonder what they do different. They make their chicken taste different.
Well,
Like
whoever makes,
Popeyes and KFC and Bojangles.
so you don't think that Popeye's chicken is spicy like Bojangles chicken? But you know it's Cajun, and then you got Louisiana style with Popeyes, and Bojangles is Cajun. I love Cajun food. What's wrong with my baby? Hmm?
Hey.
See, really good.
Some of it.
Not big. It is a little warm today. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
CP.
How you do the back? So tell me what y'all think about the way y'all like to prepare y'all biscuits. I uploaded a video. You like to just do it the old-fashioned way, where you take your flour and take your cold butter and just mix it all together, or do you like to get your is that real? No. Or do you like to get that bag of biscuit mix that's already got the butter and the shortening already inside of it? Might be him. And mix up just the buttermilk in it. I like that way. I think it was him. It was him. Is that her? Right there.
You so in your video?
What? Cause I spoke to somebody?
Put the name out.
You don't know who that is? Do y'all? Mm-mm. Don't know nothing about him. I promise y'all know him. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. Just want to sit and eat a little bit with y'all. I'm getting ready to end this video. And I'll probably see you guys back later this afternoon when I get ready to get in the kitchen and actually cook dinner. So I'll see you guys back this afternoon when I get ready to cook dinner. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I'll see you guys back on the next video.